Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at these chocolate eggs for Animal Crossing. Hello everyone, so I hope everyone's doing really well at the moment. This is a really exciting video and I'm really excited to open it. It is these chocolate eggs from, well, the new release of Animal Crossing New Horizons. It is absolutely awesome and it's a pack of 10. So about these, there are 20 in a set, which I will go through in a minute, and there are 2 mystery villages as well. I don't know what they are, but I hope they are really cool ones. So how we got them, there's a website which where you can buy Japanese goods and everything like that. If you're interested, I'll either put it up on the screen now or I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, it is really exciting stuff and I'm so excited to do this, as I've been an Animal Crossing fan for so long. I think the first game I played, which was Animal Crossing related, was back in 2006 with Wild World, so I've been a very big fan of it ever since. So the price of these, well, they are called the Animal Crossing, I don't know how to pronounce it, Company of Chocolate Eggs mini figure set, and for altogether, including the total, it was 3,700 yen, which comes around £27.51 at the moment, but when we bought it back when we bought it would have been more. So yes, it's really exciting stuff and I just can't wait to open these. Before we do, I just want to show you some more Animal Crossing Japanese stuff we do have. So the first one is this pocket watch. It is the summer, you can get all the seasons, and this was for New Leaf. It is really good. I believe my boyfriend won this on, what's it called? Tariba. And yes, it is really good. I love the packaging and I really want to wear it in some ways, but otherwise I want to keep it in mint condition, so at the moment it stays in the box. So yeah, and another one which is really recent in our collection, he bought this playset. It's extremely rare. I'm not sure if it's for Wild World or for New Leaf, or maybe even one of the smaller games. There's a car. Yeah, so this is really cool. It's an amazing vision. There is a bit of a crease at the back. And yes, this is really amazing. So we're going to go on to these now, which I'm really excited for. So right off the bat, this is how small it is. Inside is a chocolate egg, and there is the packaging, all in Japanese. So like I said before, there's 20 characters to collect, but we only have 10 to do today. There is all of these. I'm just going to read out some of the villagers. Unfortunately, I don't know, or if I get the name wrong, I'm sorry. So we're starting off with Isabel, Tom Nook, KK, Mabel, Timmy and Tommy, Blathers, Rosie, Bunny, Goldie, Apollo. I don't know these 2 names, unfortunately. There is Julian, Hamlet, I believe it's a hamster. I don't know the deer. And then there's Peanut, the Stitches, and not sure, but I think there may be Wolfgang. I'm not 100% sure. The packaging alone is absolutely gorgeous. It's so cute. Obviously with all the Japanese stuff, I don't know what it is, but I do like the little window, which is the shape of a leaf. So I'm actually not going to open one of these because I feel like my boyfriend should open one, but we are going to start opening them up now and I'm really excited. So I don't know if I should try and keep the packaging, as he's just staring at me, but yeah, this is the packaging and this is what the egg looks like. Once again, there's loads of Japanese stuff. I don't know if this is like a Kinder Egg where the figure is going to be in like a plastic thing inside, but we shall see. So we just got the first egg now, so I'm just going to open it slightly off camera. Okay, so it's like a Kinder Egg with the white chocolate inside, and this is the capsule the figure is in. So the first one that you guys see first, which you can't really see much of anything right now. The first character, oh, it's a duck. I think it's a duck. I didn't know you actually meant to assemble them as well. Okay, so first is the duck I don't actually know. They are very, very tiny, but they are super cute. So let me just assemble this guy. Oh, that's adorable. You see that? He's there. He wants to see them all. So this is the first one. It is super tiny and really, really cute. Unfortunately, I don't know the name. Hopefully, well, it's all in Japanese. So yeah. So there is the inside one of this. It's really, really cute. It does say their name, but it's just in Japanese. So yeah, I'm sorry. If you know the name, please comment it down below. I'm sorry that I'm not a true fan. Yeah, it is really, really cute. I can't believe it. I'm just going to show you guys again because he is really, really good. We do actually have a stand, which is this. We're going to assemble it, and if we do remember, at the end of the video we'll show you a shot with all of them displayed. So yeah, that's our first character. I'll go in with the second one now. So unfortunately we weren't able to get the entire set unless if we buy another pack of 10. But then again, even then we could get doubles in this one. So it could be really difficult, and especially to get the mysteries, because we don't know if they are rarer or they are just a mystery. So we have a second one now. My hands are just covered in chocolate already. So, oh yes, it's my favourite. We have Rosie. I don't think she is my favourite villager of all, but she's definitely my favourite in this set. So we are just going to assemble her now. Okay, so this is it's not going together very well. She has a little bag. Sorry, she's headless at the moment. Okay, I will need to assemble her a bit better later because her head is not going onto the figure very well. But that is her. Very, very gorgeous. Oh, I got her ears around the wrong way. Who am I? Try it again. So it is around the right way this time. And yeah, she's really, really cute, and I really, really like her. Okay. We got Timmy and Tommy, so they are in pieces. So I don't know how to assemble these. I don't know if there's a picture. There's quite a lot of them. Okay, so one's standing on a box, which I don't know how to put the box in. I don't know how to do anything right now. Right, so these are there. I think at the moment this is the best figures to have. Definitely the best. Even with even just the little detail of the leaf on the box. So everything about it is truly amazing, and I love that one a lot. So we've got 3 down, and we have 7 more to go. So next up, I believe this is Wolfgang. But then again, I'm not 100% sure because I think it's a guy, and I don't know if this one is a guy. Okay, I don't know how this character stands up, as there's not really a thing for them. But this is the character, and it does have a little thing. I don't know if it just leans up against them. Oh no, I think they might be leaning up against the suitcase actually. Okay, so that is the character. Once again, I love it, and it's really nice. Oh, this one's a bit squished. So we got another character now. Okay, so we have Mabel next. Oh, she's a really good one. She looks really, really big. Alright, so hers is really, really cute. She's winking and she is also carrying a t-shirt. And in all, hedgehogs are one of my favourite animals. So this is a really good one. Next. Oh no, we got a double. We just got her. So we got another Mabel. Which is a bit of a shame to have a double in the set, considering as we don't have 20 anyway. So it is a shame, but we do have a double. So our next one we are popping open now. And we have Goldie. I think she's definitely a favourite to a few people, but she's holding a pair, which could be a deal breaker for some people, because for some reason people really hate pairs. I don't know why they've done this, but they have where you have to assemble to put the ear on. I just think that's just a bit random. So this is Goldie. She's really, really simple, but once again I do feel like she is a favourite to many. But yeah, she is really, really cute. I just think I'm saying they're all cute because they are. They're adorable, they're small and really good. My favourite, I think, if I really want to get one, is going to be Julian, Stitches or Peanut. But I'm happy that I did get Rosie because well, I'm trying to get her in my town at the moment, but you have to do, if you have the Mabel cards, you have to do it like 3 times or something for them to move in. She's just really frustrating. Alright, so just going to open this up. So who do we have next? Okay, not my favourite, but we have Apollo. Okay, so you need to place the rock in a very secluded area. But this is Apollo. He is adorable. Not my favourite. I used to have him in my New Leaf town, but when he wanted to leave, I did not say no, so I have had him before, but he's definitely not my favourite character, and or just not. I'm not a fan of the birds, to be honest, and I think Mark has a very special hate towards Jay as well. Right, so it is another figure. We're going to open this one up now. Oh yay! Baby, you have to guess what this one is. He was in your town yesterday.
KK?
Yes! He is KK! Oh, so he has a little tree stump he sits on, and then you put him on the tree stump. Oh, this is adorable. This is... I don't know if this is the best one. I know loads of people really love KK, but I am not the biggest fan, to be honest. I can't even get the guitar up. Okay, so this is KK. Really adorable. And his guitar is really, really good. So we have one to open, but this is Mark's. Mark, get over here. It's your turn to open this one. So Mark just opened his and he got another Rosie. So unfortunately we are missing quite a lot. We've got 2 doubles out of the 10 that we have, and we have another like load to go. So we're missing Tom Nook, we're missing Blathers, which I'm a bit unfortunate. I really wanted him. We're missing Bunny. We are missing that one. We're missing Julian, which I'm really bummed about as well. I think Hamlet, we're missing that one. We're missing Peanut as well, which I'm also bummed about. And missing Stitches, which is annoying, and the 2 mysteries. So the ones that I really wanted, we don't have. But I'm happy that we did get Rosie, and I'm happy we did get Mabel as well. So yeah, that is the chocolate eggs, everyone. I hope you enjoyed them. They're so cool. The packaging is absolutely amazing. Hopefully, if we can, I'm going to try and get more because these are beautiful. So yeah, please like and subscribe, people. I hope everyone's doing okay in quarantine as well. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video, guys. So bye.